Hello, this is Kirk Whittig. I will be conducting a Chi-Sqaure test of independence for GRC 605, Unit 5, Dr. Nigel Bosta's class. We will be covering and reviewing the assumptions based for the test, review the results of the 3 Chi-Sqaure tests and Kramer V results when significant correlations were found, and then finally go over a summary and key takeaway. First, let's look at the assumptions. We will continue to use the rejection rule of p less than an alpha of 0.05. We'll also add a post hoc rule in if we reject the null hypothesis. And that means we will follow Kramer's v-test. Let's take a look at our first independence test using the Chi-Sqaure test. We will look at the number of cars and the number of defaults. In this test, after we ran it, we got the printout here that shows our values for the Chi-Sqaure as indicated in this box. And then we got the symmetric measures and values here. Basically what that comes down to is that our p-value ended up being larger than the alpha value. So that means we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Again, using an alpha value of 0.05, our statistics show no relationship emerged. There, our p-value is 0.351. And let's go look at the second test. So looking at the second test of like comfort and number of defaults, again, we have a p-value that is larger than the alpha. So we fail to reject the null hypothesis once again. I have included the statistics down here in APA format for your viewing. Now looking at the independence test for number of cars and light comfort on the third hypothesis test results, we finally find a p-value that is lower than the alpha value, so we can reject the null hypothesis. We also find in this test that we have a perfectly symmetrical relationship. So here's p-value and v-values. Again, you can see what the data in PSPP gave us in these two areas. I'd like to thank you for watching and also open it up to any questions you might have. If you have them, please let me know. Finally, these are the references that helped me perform the tests as well as put this presentation together.